Good morning. My name is Raúl Iglesias, and I'm a bachelor from the Wadi. And today I'm gonna give you a talk about one of the most interesting points of tourism in my country, Mexico. And it is San Francisco de Campeche, the old and heroic city. What is it? San Francisco de Campeche is an historic port, and it is the capital of the state with the same name. It was founded on the year of 1540 by the Spanish conqueror Francisco Montejo el Mozo. It is located over the coast of the Gulf of Mexico in the Yucatan Peninsula, specifically in the state of Campeche at the southeast of Mexico. Since the foundation of Campeche on October 4th of 1540, it would belong to the General Captaincy of Yucatan, this during the Spanish colonial era. At that time, in Campeche began the exploitation of the palo de tinte, that was a very valuable log. That's why many pirates attacked Campeche to steal this palo de tinte. In response to that, the Spanish crown, with the government of New Spain, actual Mexico, ordered the construction of a big wall and fortresses to repel such attacks. The fortresses were called bastions, and they are part of the main historical and cultural legacy of this city. The construction began on the year of 1686 and ended on the year of 1704. In the images we can see four of these bastions. With the letter A, the bastion of San Pedro; with the letter B, the bastion of San Carlos; with the letter C, the bastion of San Juan; and with the letter D, the bastion of Santiago. Also, there are two more fortresses over two mountains at the size of Campeche, and there are San José el Alto with the letter A and San Miguel la Escénica with the letter B. Other interesting points is the downtown of the city. We can see the cathedral that I consider is one of the most beautiful in Mexico, the Cathedral of Nuestra Señora de la Purísima Concepción. The city of Campeche is a great option if you want to do an historical tourism. You will surely live there with an unforgettable experience. The principal reason that Campeche is an historical city is because of its fortresses, and it makes Campeche special because it's one of the few ports in Mexico that have that type of fortresses. By my part, it would be all. I'm Raúl Iglesias. Thanks for your attention, and have a nice trip. See you in Campeche.